sa sa city ng Bath City ang tawag dito. Ito yung place ng isang historical site dito sa England, which is the Roman bathhouse, and was of course built by the Romans when they conquered this country long time ago. So we will be checking this place out. Halika, sama ko. So finally, nandito na tayo sa Roman Bath. Yan yung Roman Bath. Actually, public bathhouse siya na ginawa ng mga Roman. Kasi itong place na to dati, sa ilalim niya, puro siya mga natural na spring. So yung mga natural spring, hindi mo na makikita ngayon, nasa ilalim na siya ng daan ngayon. Pero yung bath na to, buhay pa rin, preserve siya ng government para sa tourist attraction nitong lugar na to. Actually, the whole city itself, it's a big community. Meron yung kanilang church. This is St. Paul, John and Paul Cathedral. Siyempre, makikita mo Roman influence dyan sa church na yun. Dahil nalasakop ito ng Roman Empire noon. So, papasok tayo sa bathhouse para makita kung ano yung itsura. Let's go!
It's dirtier than the river, so you don't want to put your hands in it. But there is a fountain at the end for drinking water, and it's really clean. You can take it to bed.
Ayan, papasok na tayo dito sa Roman Bath. Binigyan nila tayo ito parang audio device. Pipindutin mo na tapos you listen to it para marinig mo yung history nitong lugar na ito. So let's go! Okay, nandito na tayo sa main chamber ng Roman Bath. So yung mga Romans, dinevelop nila yung hot spring, natural hot spring kung saan meron itong city na to into this pavilion kung saan pwede nilang, actually ginawa nila to primarily for the goddess Minerva, the Roman goddess of war and wisdom. But since this is the city center na, naging sentro na rin to ng mga festivities at saka mga religious na mga events dito sa city ng Bath, dito sa England. So, that's it for today and bye everyone! So, it's already 50 minutes past 1 o'clock. So, 2 o'clock meron na tayong call time. Papunta doon sa ating sasakyan. This is the end of our tour here in Bath City, dito sa Roman Bath. And after that, we will be going to another place which is another UNESCO World Heritage, which is Stonehenge. It's about an hour drive from here. So, let's go. Baka mainit tayo.
And he retrieved their forces and attack again, and retrieve, attack again, retrieve. It was like attacks from bushes. So he didn't fight with Apollo on the large fields like Apollo was master of that.
So, hi everyone. Good afternoon here in England. We're here right now queuing for Stonehenge. Hence?
Nandito na tayo sa may lugar kung saan yun. Pero malayo pa siya, doon pa. Sasakay muna tayo ng shuttle.
To ride
papunta
the
doon.
shuttle.
Yeah, okay, we're queuing for the shuttle right now. Momentarily. Brian!
We're here.
Finally, Madame Tussauds.
We're here at the Stonehenge.
We're
And
here
this is
now.
a UNESCO World Heritage.
Yes, this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As you can see, nandito siya. And it's very magnificent. So, itinayo daw ito more than 4,500 years ago.
For pilgrimage.
And sabi nila, burial site daw siya. Sabi, meron din nagsasabi na place siya for worship and
Worshipping,
pilgrimage. Pero ayon sa mga nahukay na mga artifacts dito, may nahukay sila mga buto ng tao. So, maaaring naging ano rin siya, libingan noon. So, wala pang concrete na research na at ebidensya syempre na magpapatunay na gano'n na nga yung purpose niyan. Pero ang hindi natin maintindihan kung paano nalagay yung mga batong yan dyan. So,
yan ang malalaman natin.
Alright.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, bye. Mas masarap to. Oh, sige, lalagyan ko ng flour. Oh, yun. Ayun na yung mga fresh.